Hey everybody, come check out the progress we made at the deck house here in Fish Creek. As you can see, the kitchen is almost complete. The granite turned out amazing. This is a leathered granite. It's got a nice texture to it, a lot of sparkle. Gold accents here, white subway tile all the way up to the ceiling. This is going to be a coffee bar area, which we also accented with the subway tile. And come on in here. The living room is a little bit of our furniture staging area, so it's not done yet, but it's going to be amazing. Queen ensuite bedroom with access to the deck and its own full bathroom right here. And check out this beautiful gold tile, gold accents, beautiful vanity. Come check out the other bedroom. So just off of the dining room, we have a king bedroom here that does also have a water view out of this window. Still putting the furniture together. The bed turned out amazing. And just off of that bedroom, we do have another full bath with a tub. Perfect for families. Gold accents. Still need to put in the mirror and the lights. And then come on upstairs and we'll check out the primary. On the hall, we have 2 bedrooms. Off the hall, this is our queen bedroom. You can see the furniture is getting put together as we speak. This is going to be our twin XL room. It's coming together nicely. Those are our sauna boxes. This is going to be the sauna. It's under construction right now, but that is in the next couple weeks going to transform into a really relaxing sauna area. This full bath turned out amazing. We went with a herringbone tile with gold accents. Check out the primary bedroom here at the deck house. All the furniture is getting put together. We have the bed here, leather ottoman, amazing view, lounge area over here, and check out the primary bath. This turned out amazing. Check out these big tiles all the way up to the ceiling. Went with a porcelain large tile here, and check out this view. Per usual, looking beautiful. Access to your own private deck right off of the primary, and you just can't beat this view. It's amazing.